How's everybody doing today? My name is Sean. Welcome to the Dragon's Lair. What we're going to be talking about today is the Korean flag. In our curriculum, we learn some basic things about the Korean flag and not only how they apply to Taekwondo, just how they apply in general. So if we take a basic look at the flag, you're going to notice that there's markings on the corners. You have a white background with a red and blue symbol in the middle. We'll start in the middle. This is, think of the yin and yang, right? Opposites. So specifically what we're looking here, if you're thinking about negative, we're going to have positive, if you're thinking about opposites, we're talking about positive and negative. So the red is symbolizing the positive and the blue is going to be symbolizing the negative. And then that symbol right there is going to be on the white background. And the white background is going to be for peace and purity. Okay. Now these symbols around the corners here, those are called trigrams. Each trigram has a different definition or meaning. They actually have a few different meanings, but how we utilize them specifically in Taekwondo is they are applied to a few of our forms, our pumse. So if we look here in the upper left, this is going to symbolize heaven. And because we're talking about opposites with the yin and yang, so this is going to symbolize heaven. And if we look down here, this one is going to be earth, okay? And again, opposites, we have fire and water. A couple other meanings, they have like a celestial body attached to them. So it would be heaven, and then, heaven, earth again, and then sun and moon. All right, they also represent cardinal directions as well. So if we're looking at my upper left here again, this is going to be east, and then down here would be west, and then up here we're looking at south, and then north. So they're also, it has to do with family. So father, daughter, son, and mother. Father would be here, mother down here, daughter here, and son. So those aren't typically things we learn about in our curriculum. We're going to be based on the the natural elements, because again, like I said, with the forms, like if we're looking at Taeguk Iljang, the first form that you learn in our curriculum, that is going to be represented by heaven. It's written in English as, I believe it's K-E-O-N or K-O-E-N, but in Korean it's actually pronounced gan or gan. So I'm not a native Korean speaker, so I'm doing the best I can with that. So our first form, our first pumse, Taeguk Iljang, is actually going to be on the flag right here in the upper left. So there you go. That is a basic rundown of the Korean flag as it applies to our curriculum. I hope you learned something, and that's all for now. Class dismissed. Have a great rest of your day.